1 Samuel chapter 31. Now the Philistines fought with the Israelites. The Israelites took flight, and many of them fell in Mount Gilboa. The Philistines held on after Saul on his sins, and they killed Jonathan, Abinadab, and Malchishua. Affecting was heavy round about Saul. Some archers caught it up with him, and wounded him. Saul said to the lad that carried his weapons, "Draw your sword, and rend my throat with it, for fear is heathen tak me and claw my hide." But the child wouldn't do it, he was sae feared. So Saul took his ain sword and fell on it. When the child that carried his weapons saw that Saul was dead, he fell on his sword too, and died with him. So Saul, his 3 sons, and the child that carried his weapons, and his men, all died that day. From the Israelites across the Hall and Ben of Jordan saw that the Israelite army had ta'en flight, and that Saul and his loons were dead. They forhewed their tune and took to flight too. And the Philistines come and took our tunes. Now the next morning, when the Philistines come to Tear Agir, fair deed, they found Saul and his 3 loons lying in Mount Gilboa. They cut it off his head, and stripped him of his weapons, and sent runners through all the Philistine country, to let it be kent in their temples, and among their folk. They put his weapons in the temple of the Ashtoreths, and nailed his body to a wall of Bashan. When the folk of Jabesh Gilead got to hear of it, the Philistines had done to Saul, all their brave men travailed all night and recovered the bodies of Saul and his loons from the wall of Bashan, and took them to Jabesh, for they burnt them. Syne they took their beans and buried them beneath the tree at Jabesh, and they fasted for 7 days.